Well, Lynn and I have worked together for 20 years. And we make music together in a beautiful band called Fun On. So we've got music connections and music history together. And it's that we bring to the show, as well as me working independently as a composer for large amounts of the material. So that's a lovely our lovely treasure vocally of how we sing together and how we work together. So I did a lot of prep before we started rehearsing for this show, and a bit like a chef, I got all my ingredients. I thought, right, here's this bit of the story, and I had all these ideas about which music might be good for these bits. There's a lovely song Lynn wrote a long, long time ago called Braithoid Dream. I thought I really want that in, because so much of this isn't what's real and what's not, and that's just like a dream, whether it's the magic or all kinds of elements. So I wanted Lynn's song in there. And then lots of the other sections, I wrote music specially for it. The one exception is a Fun On tune that I wrote for Fun On, but I've adapted it, and we now sing it with the Englyn when Gwydion sings Sleigh Down the Tree. So all the music's got all these different functions, which is very, very exciting for me. There's a bit where the men get punished, the two brothers get punished and turned into different creatures, and the music is weird, and the counting is weird, and it's all like a little bit sexy, a little bit dark, a little bit ooh, and we do this little phrase that we sing together, and it's all kind of dark, weird chords, and then there's completely different elements that are just really so light and so fluid, and those often are on the harp, and then other magical elements where it's just voices singing together in harmony. And then what I really especially love is using traditional words, but writing new stuff for it. So the show finishes with a brand new version of Trab or Die, unlike it's ever done. And we've got quite a nice, I love how we kind of do our harmonies on that together, and it's quite drivey and different. So it's been just a joy for me.